Stuck on a problem and don't know where to turn? Do you find yourself scratching your head, spending hours looking at your work, hoping it completes itself? Don't worry. Whenever we don't understand our work, we turn to the Center for Access to Engineering Excellence, the CAEE. We have a team of 25 tutors covering basic math, physics, and chemistry in major specific classes from mechanical engineering, bioengineering, computer science, and many more. Visit the virtual CAEE today and we'll meet your tutoring needs.
Hi, Mohamed.
Hi, Parson. Welcome to the CAE Virtual Front Desk. How can I help you today?
I was wondering if there's anyone tutoring Data 100 today?
Yeah, we do have a Data 100 tutor, but before I get you started with that, can you fill out this sign-in form that I just sent in the chat?
Yeah, sure thing. Great. I just finished the form. Is there anything else that I would need to do?
Nope, that's all. I'll get you started. Just a quick reminder, a couple of the house rules that we have here at the Virtual CAE. If you can, please have your camera on at all times. If you're not talking, please try to mute your microphone when you can in order to minimize the background noise. And just a heads up, there might be more students joining for tutoring as well, so be wary of the tutor's time. Thank you.
Yeah, that sounds good. Thanks, Mohamed.
Good luck with Data 100, Parson.
Hi, Jaina. Mohamed pushed me to this breakout room to get tutoring for Data 100.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I can definitely help you with that, Parson.
Awesome. I was just having troubles with my code. I can't seem to make it work. I've been spending some time on it. I was wondering if you would be able to look at it. Maybe we can try to discuss which ones I'm missing, whether that's syntax or concepts.
Yeah, for sure. You can share your screen and we can take a look at it together.
Awesome. 1 second. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay. So this is the block of code that I was having a lot of troubles with. It keeps throwing an error, and I can't seem to figure out what causes this.
Okay, give me a second for me to read it, and then we can work it out.
Awesome.
A few moments later.
Oh, I think that worked.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Is there anything else that you need help with today?
No, I think this is it. It just took me a while to figure out this part of this homework. So thank you so much for helping me out.
No problem. And then before you leave, can you fill out this Google form? It's just a feedback form, so we can gauge like your experience and see how we can improve the space for people.
Sure thing. I will do. Thanks so much.
Okay. All right.
Awesome. Bye, Jaina.
Bye, Parson.